Sometimes learning coding can be like they dropped you in the middle of a new city with no map. You see people moving fast, but you are just standing there holding Google Translator. You don't know what to do. But in this video, I'm going to give you a map that you can follow to move from the saying I can't do this to I can build projects. So let's dive into the video. Hi guys, and welcome to Sketch Motion. I'm TBK from Sketch Motion, and if you first time see my friend, don't forget to like this video and also stay tuned because you get value from this video. Now the first step you have to follow is understand what coding is. Now think of coding like a super literal robot where you say make me a sandwich, but it won't answer you. But if you say go to the kitchen, open a bread bag, place two slices of bread on a plate, then it will do it. So that is it. You're giving coding a recipe. The computer is just a fast chef that does what to actually send it to do. Now the next step is you can choose one beginner friendly language. Now think of this language as a bicycle. Now some bikes are heavy and made for professionals, but some are very simple and also have some training wheels which can make you comfortable to learn. Now you can start with Python. Python is one of those bikes that can take you anywhere, very fun and very easy to ride or to learn. Then also you can move to JavaScript, which is fun and great for tricks on the web. Then Scratch, which is a colorful tricycle for most beginners. Now, most people start with Python because you can write it anywhere without crashing in every 2 seconds. Now, the second step is you need to know the basics. Now, before you drive a car, you have to know the pedals, the gear shift, the accelerator. You can apply it in coding too. That's just like coding. Before you code or before you learn Python, you have to know the basics. Now, coding basics are just like a vehicle control. Now, the first coding basis is just your variable. Now, these are just like your backpacks where you store stuff to use it later. Now, the second basis is your data types, which contains different shapes of luggages like your numbers, your words, your lists. Then operators, which are the tools you use to work with your stuffs like add, compare, combine. Then we also have if statements. We also have loops. Now, the third step is start building tiny projects. This is very essential than watching mini tutorials. You can start with small projects like calculator, a to-do list app, then you can upgrade a little by little. And the most important thing is try to finish your reps. An unfinished giant project is like joining a gym and never showing up. Now the first step is learn how to Google like a coder. Now take coding as a treasure hunting. Your code is your treasure, while your Google is your metal detector. Now it's normal thing that you must get stuck. But if you get stuck, learn how to find exact error message, then add your language name. Then you can use websites or sites like Stack Overflow, which is just like a guidebook. Now professional coders are really good treasure hunters. Now the step 5 is version control, Git and GitHub. Now GitHub is just like a save game button for your code. Now in GitHub you can shift updates to GitHub. You can save your progress in GitHub. This is just like a cloud storage for every coder. Now the sixth step I'll give you is try to join a coding community. Now learning alone or learning code alone is just like trying to learn guitar in a soundproof room, no feedback. So I advise everyone to join a coding community like Discord, also Reddit, where you share your interests, where you share your problems to find solutions, where you find motivations also. So joining a community or a coding community is very essential for every coding beginner or every coder. So now guys, the second step is build bigger projects. Now you have built tiny projects. So now as you have learned and you have acquired more knowledge, you can go for or you can move on to bigger projects. This is how you grow. You don't just depend on tiny projects. Guys, the eighth step is have a framework. Now, a framework is just like a pre-built kitchen. Now you don't have to buy stove, cabinets, and also sink from scratch. This thing you just have to you just have to decorate and cook. In coding, a framework gives you ready-made tools so that you just decorate and start cooking, not that to start from scratch, so that you can focus on the unique part of the project. So now the ninth or the last one is share your step and keep learning. So now when you build project or when you do something, you have to post it online so that people can see you and also maybe hire you. Even the best coders are still students. The learning never stops. That's just the secret that everyone needs to know. So this is the roadmap. The learning or the process might feel long, but later you look back and realize that wow, so this is what I have covered. So keep learning and don't stop. and you will get there surely. So if you like this video or found value in this video, don't forget to like this video, comment, and also subscribe, so you get more beginner friendly videos like this. So see you guys. I love you guys.